9:03 Monday की सुबह टॉक SME Essentials brought to you by Tally Solutions. What a segment this is. Every Monday ये होता है, alternate Mondays actually.
Absolutely. We are honoring the best in the industry, all courtesy of Tally. Now, the winner in e-Premier category MSME honors, Shalini Santosh, is in our studios. Also, the winner in Tech Transformer category MSME honors, Jatinder Singh as well, is in our studios. Let's quickly introduce you to Jatinder. Now, Jatinder is a seasoned expert in the expo and exhibition industry with over 2 decades of global experience across multiple continents, including Singapore, Japan, Spain, Germany, the UK, and now the UAE. Currently serving as the director of IGE Group, that is the Invention Global Exhibits, Jatinder specializes in design consulting and project management for international exhibitions. His passion for design, cultivated from a young age, remains a core aspect of his professional and personal life as well. He holds qualifications in computer science, interior and product design, and has received several international awards for his creative work. Good morning, Jatinder, and welcome to the show once again.
Very good morning, and thanks a lot very much to be here again.
ये तो हमारा मतलब कहे कि प्रिविलेज है कि ये आप आए हमारे स्टूडियो में, बिकॉज वी नॉर्मली डोंट गेट टू स्पीक टू पीपल हु हैव रियली क्रिएटेड वेव्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. एग्जीबिशन को लेके, एक्सपो एग्जीबिशन को लेके यू हैव डन वंडर्स, सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
डिटेल डिस्कशन करेंगे. शालिनी संतोष हमारे साथ हैं, एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू स्पीक टू शालिनी बिकॉज फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर एट अर्ली फूड्स, डायरेक्ट टू कंज्यूमर किड्स फूड एंड अर्ली मदरहुड न्यूट्रिशन कंपनी है. उन्होंने शुरू किया था 2015 में. आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ मदर, शी देन रियलाइज द नीड फॉर क्लीन एंड होलसम फूड्स एंड स्टार्टेड अर्ली फूड with a vision to help parents like her to unjunk their kids' meals and snacks one plate at a time.
How is this even possible,
It is
Shalini?
possible.
How do you unjunk your kids' plate?
It is very, very much possible. Of course, as we, go into the conversation today, we'll understand so many tips that are so easy. That'll make your life easier.
But Early Foods जो है, they have delivered over 2 million products to moms and kids worldwide, and she studied at National Institute of Technology for her BTech as well. So बहुत ही interesting बातें जो है वो होने वाली है. So good morning and welcome.
Good morning.
All right, first things first, I think we'll start off with you, Shalini. Now, first things, congratulations on being a winner in the e-Premier category MSME honors, and Tally Solutions has given you that honor. How does it feel, and how has this really changed the course for you?
Yeah, I think being recognized internationally, this was our first international award, so it of course feels amazing. It's I think it helps us get recognized and expand our footprint globally, and I think that's what has done to us.
Right. And, moving forward now, it's said that you are an advocate for children's health, and what inspired you to kind of focus on early childhood nutrition and the ingredients we often overlook?
Correct. Like all of us, right? I was brought up like eating simple home-cooked foods. My childhood was like my mother would read, from magazines about healthy ingredients and stuff. So it was all in my subconscious mind, but I think it got activated the moment I became a mother.
Right.
So once my son was born, and he was like about 7 months, and that's when most of us start talking about what foods to give our babies. And when I was looking for foods in the market, there was really nothing that was good for children to eat as their first foods. So every box that I picked up from the market was refined sugar. There was so much of refined flour, so much of artificial flavors and preservatives and emulsifiers. I'm like, I'm not going to feed my child this stuff.
Correct.
Okay.
Because research says that the first 1,000 days, right from conception, is like the foundation for his or her health in the entire lifetime. It's like a building, right? We're all familiar with constructing a home.
Right.
So the foundation, if is you need cement, sand, and iron and all that. But if you kind of adulterate it and you use cheap quality ingredients, your house is not going to stay long for 100 years.
Correct.
It's not going to be tall enough. It's not going to be strong. The same thing with childhood nutrition. You have to make it clean, nutritious in the first 3-4 years. It's very important. So that is what inspired me to start Early Foods, a clean children's food brand, so that we start right, we start early.
Right. So अभी तो उतना अर्ली नहीं है. I think 5 और 4 साल 9 साल हो गए. So these 9 years have been tremendous in terms of the response because 2 million worldwide
Yes.
आपने supply किया है. This is fantastic so far.
Yes, it's been a great joyride. We started with, I think, 5 products.
Okay.
Okay.
What were the initial 5?
The initial 5, the beauty of the startup is, as my son grew up, my company also expanded its products.
Oh, nice.
So when my son was a baby, we started with baby foods,
Correct.
porridges. So that was what some of our products.
Right.
As he started teething, we started introducing teething sticks,
Right.
cookies,
Nice.
and then as he grew up, more for his sports and stuff like laddus and cake mixes and things like that. So now we've come to reach about 75 different products.
Wow.
And as I got my second child, I stopped thinking about my son and I started thinking about myself because
Okay.
as a second time mom, I felt I really need to nourish myself also as a mother first.
Correct.
Right.
So we introduced a lot of foods for pregnant mothers. We introduced a lot of foods for post-delivery, postpartum nutrition.
Right.
So that's how the journey of Early Foods has been.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, it really, really sounds so
Inspiring.
inspiring. We'll delve into this a little bit, into our conversation. But right now, Jatinder, you've been taking the world by storm. ऐसा कोई एक जगह है जहाँ पे आपने conquer या capture नहीं किया है?
क्या बात है?
Uh,
एकदम Alexander the Great बना दिया.
See, well, the industry I work for, the expo was
Right.
when I was studying, we proposed for one of the expos where I was doing the design team work.
Okay.
And the moment I got to know about the budget, I was like, about 20 years back, if somebody talk about a project in few millions, so you can imagine how excited you will be. If you have a money to spend on a project, to
Right.
have a money to spend on a technology, that inspire me like, okay, this is the industry where every 5 years this expo is happening different part of the world, and there are other expos or exhibitions where every company want to introduce their new product or the new launch or a new model of their product and display. So that inspires to, okay, go ahead. And that also give me an opportunity that wherever the expos happens, I move there for a year,
Right.
then come back.
Right.
So as of now, from the Far East Asia to America to Europe, is we are all around global.
Right. And
That's
how the
amazing.
entire industry is evolving as well.
Yeah.
Does the place need to have a lot of events and exhibition? Tab jaake you can probably show your expertise, or is it that if the place is not at all into events and exhibitions, then it's a hard proposition to do that.
No, you see, like as I said, we are there in the industry for longer time, so we know every country regionally they become popular for their own bigger show.
And this
Right.
is how
This
a
is how it's
country
been
can
developed.
establish themselves as.
Suppose now if you see Dubai after the expo, the other exhibitions like Gulf Food,
Correct.
Medical, Jitex, it becomes so big.
हर दिन कोई exhibition हो रहा
It's,
होता है
it's
ना?
massive, yeah.
Yeah.
And every day to keep challenging yourself also is a task. Now, we will ask you that question and we will continue our conversation right here with Jatinder Singh and Shalini Santosh, where it is, when it comes to food, where kids are concerned, or even for expecting mums, you can ask her all your questions. Keep them handy 0586861003, or even better, give us a call 800-81003.
9:12 विवेक और म्यूरल आपके साथ है एंड हमारे पास टैली एमएसएमई ऑनर्स के विनर्स जतिंदर सिंह, शालिनी संतोष. जतिंदर से हमारी बातें हो रही थी अबाउट एग्जीबिशंस. नाउ वी वुड लव टू आस्क यू जतिंदर, टेक्नोलॉजी हैज रीशेप्ड द एमएसएमई लैंडस्केप. आपके ओपिनियन में की टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रेंड जो हो रहा है फॉर स्मॉल एंड मीडियम बिजनेसेस एज वेल, एंड हाउ कैन दे अडॉप्ट दैट ताकि वो कॉम्पिटिटिव रह सके?
See, after the pandemic, if you see the whole world tried to be more digitalized and digital. I mean, the way we used to conduct the meetings now, I mean, after the pandemic, now it's been 4th year.
Right.
We all are revolutionizing the way we are working, our functioning,
Right.
our communication, our presentations. So that helps also that we have to, every SME has to be upgraded
Right.
to this level.
सो बिफोर आफ्टर की स्टोरी बता सकते हैं कि फॉर एग्जांपल पहले आप पेपर पे प्रॉब्ली डिजाइन बनाते थे, फिर आप कंप्यूटर पे बनाने लगे, एंड देन नाउ केम 3D बिल्डिंग मॉडल्स एज वेल.
Yeah, we do. See, with the time, the technology helps you. There are new softwares coming up. That helps you also to make your work faster.
Right.
And if there are any revisions or correction,
Right.
that is much more faster now to do. Like anytime if you do a manual errors, it's different. But now with the software, they have an option where you can correct, save your time, save your energy, as well as the teamwork as well.
And not everyone uses the same technology, right? जो आप use कर रहे हो, probably it's a little expensive one, and that's why you stand out in the market. Is that the case?
See, what technologies we are using towards this expo and all are, they were meant for the permanent structure, where you require a 1 month of a setup time.
Right.
Like expo, they give you like a year or even more than a year. So doing that technology in a span of 4 to 5 days is the biggest challenge.
Right.
And we do a full mock-up of the entire thing in our warehouse first before we take it to the site.
Okay.
So there are a lot of time, effort, energies putting in.
तो
Day and
स्कूल
night.
में प्रोजेक्ट बिल्डिंग में बड़े अच्छे मार्क्स मिलते होंगे आपको डिजाइन में.
I used to make sure that my model has been selected on display.
Jatin, that when you're talking about going and pitching for an account, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it obviously it takes an entire village for you to go and get hold of that account. And here you're talking about an expo in a certain country. You are fighting tooth and nail with the other, the best in the region. So what is that kind of preparation that you go with when you kind of pitch for an account that is an expo in any other country?
Well, nowadays any proposal what you do, you put all your credential along with it. So the moment we say we are, there are people who works for 10 years in this industry, because this industry is not like 9 to 5. It's a very passion-driven industry. So when we bid ourselves, we try to show all our credential and our past experience, the time management, the experienced team with us. And as well as the last thing which we keep in our hand is the technology which we introduce to them as a unique one. We study the client, we see their product, we see their main focus of exhibiting, and accordingly we customize the product for them. And that's the add-on part that, okay, we have thought even that there are many technologies available, but what suits you as your product or your company to the clients we bid.
And
when we
there is a
submit.
lot of sustainability factor to what he does as well. वो हम जरूर जानेंगे. लेकिन let's talk to Shalini now. Shalini, early foods के बारे में बताइए. What are those products? How is it natural, not artificial? How is it good for your child while growing up or when they've grown up?
So first thing, with early foods, the range of products we have for kids are from most of our ingredients. First of all, are like millets, dry fruit, seeds, and Indian spices. Okay, that's our base.
Okay.
There's no refined flour. There's no sugar. There is no artificial flavors, colors, and blah blah blah. Like starches, maltodextrin. We use ingredients that are found in your kitchen.
Correct.
Okay. That's the base to start with, and now with that we have kind of made recipes that are from millet porridges, that you can feed as baby food. You can we have millet cookies, we have teething sticks when the child is teething at the age of 1 to 2 years, or it can even be sent as a snack for kids in their tiffin box. We have dates powder. It's one of our unique product in which parents look out for sugar substitutes.
Right.
So, and dates is one of the healthiest alternative because there's no refined sugar in it. It's just 100% dates powder. You can sweeten your kheer or halwa or any dessert that you make at home. And then we have our recently launched katori cake mixes. So
nice.
Katori cake mixes.
Yeah.
Cupcakes जो बोलते हैं.
Yeah, so Indianized version of katori
Cup
cake.
chips,
So
yeah.
basically the ones that kids love cakes. Everyone loves cakes, but bakery में जाते हैं तो it's mostly maida, sugar, and lot of artificial colors, right? And home, हमको घर में बनाना है तो अवन नहीं होता सबके घर में, या वो एक्सपर्टीज या बेकिंग सुनते ही हम लोग ना we were like no, it's not for me.
Correct.
So but we kind of made a recipe that you can just steam it in your, if you have an idli
Idli maker,
container,
yeah.
just steam it, and 10 minutes a nice yummy fluffy cake is made with millets, with dry fruits, and good oil at home. So easy. So this is one of our latest product, and we have a lot of chutney powders, from
Okay.
moringa. We have sesame seeds chutney powder and things like that.
This really brings me now to yet another question, Shalini. As parents, we always trust a brand that we've been seeing for ages, correct?
Yeah.
So when I don't want to take any particular brand's name, but when you go into the store, into a supermarket, and you see that shelved right, at your eye level, you pick it up.
Correct.
and you turn over, you flip it over to read the contents, the ingredients, and you understand nothing of it.
Correct.
But just because you know the brand has been existing for 50 years, you pick it up. So what is it for me as a parent that I must take a note when I flip the product? If I don't understand a particular ingredient, should I be researching, or is it okay?
Yes, I mean, see, as parents, we have become more conscious and we need to become more conscious. We have to look and learn to read ingredients or labels and nutrition labels. Especially, देखो हम लोग कुछ भी खरीदते हैं. Even if you want to buy a headphone or a speaker or any device, we look through all the what specifications and stuff, right? The same way, we have to learn what are the ingredients and then pick up a product. So you need to ensure. I'll tell you 5 things that you want to look out for in a product before choosing it.
Okay.
Just don't go by the brand,
Okay.
or just look at the ingredients first. So first you should ensure there's no maida or no refined flour. Okay, so you can identify that by looking at the ingredients label where it's written whole wheat flour.
Okay.
If it's just wheat flour, it's maida, or if it's refined flour, it's maida. So don't buy it.
Okay.
And why we are avoiding maida based products is because maida has 2x more gluten than wheat flour.
Right.
And gluten really is a very sticky in nature. It sticks in our gut, and it's very, very difficult for our intestines, the
To
whole
digest
digestive
it,
system to
yeah.
digest it.
Right.
Because it's so difficult, our stomachs generate so much of acids to clean it out from our system.
Correct.
And we regularly eat maida based foods. We're like taxing our stomach.
Like biscuits and all of
Yeah,
that, right?
and bread.
And bread.
Kerala parotta gaya matlab.
Gaya.
Wheat parotta. हाँ.
Ensure it's whole wheat paratha.
Whole.
Yeah, because maida is also wheat, but you have to ensure it's whole wheat. So that's and consistent use of maida based foods leads to acidity, and then once your gut is blocked, you're kind of not even absorbing the nutrition properly. That's what is leading to a lot of deficiencies these days. And the second thing that you need to check out for is maltodextrin.
Okay.
Okay.
So maltodextrin is a starch. It's kind of like predominantly used in a lot of our foods today, right from sauces to ketchups to soup mixes to biscuits to bread. Everywhere it's there. I'll tell you a little bit about it.
Okay.
So it's basically a very, very refined starch powder. It's a white powder. It has no taste, no flavor. So basically तुम किसी भी product में डालोगे उसका कोई flavor बदलेगा नहीं.
Okay.
But the benefit for businesses or for companies is it's addictive in nature. It has like a 2 times more glycemic index than refined sugar.
Okay.
So it's more dangerous than refined sugar.
Okay.
And and it's a bulking agent. It's cheap. Okay, it's made from like corn and potatoes and rice, very refined. So suppose हम लोग एक बनाते हैं almond biscuits, ठीक है? तो उसमें हम लोग 10% maltodextrin भी डालें, तो you're adding a cheap substitute that's not changing any flavor.
Okay.
So it ends up being more profitable for the consumer, but more addictive for us.
But
What does
doesn't
it-
all of this go through like stringent measures of checking the product and seeing whether it's good or not for you?
Yeah, see, but there's no study saying it's very bad for health.
Harmful.
Yeah, so it's not like poisonous, right? But consistent daily usage of it is what is bad.
But what does it do to the food? जैसे आपने कहा bulking agent.
बल्किंग एजेंट जैसे मैंने अभी केचप का बारे में एग्जांपल लेते हैं, ठीक है? आप केचप तो हम सोचते हैं टोमेटो से बनता है,
Right.
right? But you add maltodextrin, which is like a slightly, it thickens. It doesn't change the taste of the tomatoes.
अच्छा.
But आप tomatoes अगर आप 100 रुपए में ले रहे हो, तो you add this maltodextrin, you're reducing the cost because it doesn't change any flavor of the
Is
tomatoes.
it like cornstarch?
Yeah, it's like cornstarch,
It's
but
like
very,
cornstarch.
very refined cornstarch.
ये सारे अपने डिटेल्स बताए. दो डिटेल्स बताए. एक तो होल व्हीट आपको लेना है. द अदर इज माल्टोडेक्स्ट्रिन आपको नहीं कंज्यूम करना है. सारे ब्रांड्स आई थिंक अभी आएंगे शायद लकड़ी लेके अभी हमारे स्टूडियो के बाहर. बट और 3 बताने आपको.
या और एक और चीज बताती हूँ कि हाइड्रोजनेटेड vegetable oil or fats is something that you need to look out for. So what is this hydrogenated fats, which is almost there in every baked products? Okay, bread में है, biscuits में है, chocolates में है. So basically it's vegetable oil which is in a liquid state that is taken to a very high temperature and made into a solid state. It's like what we're familiar with vanaspati or dalda,
Correct.
right?
Right.
So it has that buttery sort of texture. It's used in cookies. They call it as vegetable oil. But what vegetable oil? Is it corn oil? Is it peanut oil? Is it soy oil? मतलब कौन सा है?
कौन
It's
सा भाजी है?
Generally, generally a mixed oil, okay,
Right.
which is, you know, very cheap. So that's something that you should avoid. It has a lot of trans fats, which leads to cardiovascular diseases. So that's something that kids, at least in the beginning, should avoid in their early years.
You know, Shalini, we've grown up with eating, with having a dollop of ghee on our parathas.
Ghee is okay.
But because some doctors have even gone on record to say that it's not okay to have a dollop of a ghee on your paratha. So is it the right amount? What is the right amount to give your kid?
Yeah. See, everything is okay in moderation, right? मैंने एक famous Rujita Divekar, who's a very famous.
मुझे बहुत
nutrition-
पसंद है वो.
Yeah, she's outright on your face, right?
Yeah.
She's like, even if you breathe too much air, it's not good for you.
हाँ.
Even if you drink too much water, it's not good for you.
Correct. Yeah.
So the same way, even too much ghee is not good. So, you know, have 1 or 2 teaspoons in a day. That's enough.
Right. इंटरेस्टिंग विल कंटिन्यू द कन्वर्सेशन. घी की बात अगर हमने की तो जतिंदर पाजी बचपन में तो काफी पराठे में घी आपने भर भर के खाया होगा. यही है राज आपके सक्सेस का?
See, I believe the diet is always with the age. So when we are on a younger age, we don't mind even having the more ghee, but then you have to run few extra kilometer or play some more games.
Yeah.
Correct.
Physical
So
activity is
physical
also
activity,
important.
if it's there,
Right.
then because you know, we also have a lot of almonds, so that helps for the memory. That's what I remember.
So 9 to 5 तो आपका है नहीं काम. When
Yeah.
it comes to nutrition, आप क्या करते हो in terms of the industry that you are in, expo exhibition?
See, well, you know, whenever we are working late night or we make sure we, even ourselves or even for our team, we have a proper timing for the food.
Okay.
Because I know definitely those team people who are working, we make sure if they are working late, they should have a proper food at a right time, plus an add-on of the teas, which
Right.
they all enjoy.
So at a stretch कभी कितने घंटे आपने काम किए? 12, 14, 15, 18, 24, 30?
48 hours and 24 hours.
I think sometimes we did even more than 48 hours as well.
Really?
Without sleep?
Without
But there
sleeping?
was a different team of rotation.
Oh.
And for us as managers, we were taking like 2-3 hours break and then back here. That's why mostly the countries I've been, I always stayed the hotel attached to the exhibition hall.
Oh, interesting. You know, but when it comes to innovation and the power of innovation, is massive, right? And especially for you in your field, that you've got to kind of outdo yourself every time you put yourself in to get a particular contract. Could you talk to us about a few of those challenges that maybe you were gunning for, like, you know, maybe a contract that you wanted this bad, but you probably lost because of, you know, a tweak or two?
Well, it started when I joined my first job.
Okay.
I still remember when we were out for meetings and trainings, and before we go, we used to have our internal meeting. So they used to say, you know what, we are going to get this job. Whether there is a requirement for a design, for a technology, for a price, for a timeline, we make sure we say we will come back and we work on it.
Okay.
Not like it's like getting scared sometime. We see we are just 10 days away from the show.
Right.
By the way, we got a lot of projects because of the timeline issue as well.
Okay.
There are companies coming from Europe, from US, and they are being just 2 to 3 weeks away from a very big project, and people are not giving them the right feedback when they ask their queries. And we invite them for an open meeting where we discuss one-on-one to share our experience and our plan for a project, and give them an add-on that why they should go with us, because we say this is going to be the stages of the project where we can do even the correction during the preparation
Right,
time.
during the preparation. Now, कुछ ऐसे events के बारे में बताइए that you know you've really enjoyed it and you know been a part of it. कुछ ऐसे events के बारे में बताइए.
Oh, we did one expo in Spain, in Zaragoza.
Oh wow.
Now, that was my first experience when I was based in Spain. So suddenly one of the Fridays, people come for the team, every
Briefing,
the
yeah.
briefing and all.
हाँ.
And everybody start working, and suddenly after lunch nobody comes back to the site. So I ask
वहाँ
my
पे तो
मतलब था?
वहाँ पे
So I
siesta होता है ना वहाँ पे
so I
दोपहर
ask
को. हाँ.
so I ask my the local.
कहाँ गए सब?
कहाँ गए सब? He said,
Fiesta.
she did. You don't know?
हाँ.
There's a Real Madrid playing Barcelona.
Oh,
And believe me, I called their bosses. I called the CEOs. He says, "I think you are new to Spain." I said, "Yes, I was based in UAE and I just moved here for a year for work." And they says, "Hola, buenos, welcome to Spain." So this is an experience you. And then I said, "How they
काम
gonna
छोड़
cover
के
up?"
चले गए.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैच चल रहा है.
They says once this match, few days of the year, it is by default. If the match is there in the evening, but they come back on Saturday and finish for few hours, so they are very calculative.
I
If they
still
are
didn't
away
get
from
the logic. But
नहीं नहीं,
you're
मैच
in
के लिए
between.
होता है ना. You have experienced in Portugal.
Yeah, but you're doing something really constructive and it's important. You've got to deliver. But यार match चल रहा है. I've got to go. It's Spain versus
No,
Barcelona.
they
Cricket
says-
में भी होता है ना?
yeah, so
World
if they're-
Cup, nobody will leave work and go, yeah.
No, but they cover up that 4 hours. So either they work late night or they come early morning. They says if you are away for 4 hours, they know their working hours. They work hourly basis. So they come back for those 4 hours to cover up.
Right.
But as a outsider, you feel like surprised how everybody
Yeah.
disappeared.
ये काफी मेमोरेबल है. मुझे तो लगा पाजी जो है मतलब सेनोरिता के साथ वो भी मैच देखने चले गए होंगे. तो लेकिन काम तो होते रहेगा यार.
Well, it was an amazing experience. I'm sure you would have
A
experienced
team
it.
disappeared. Even the managers stopped picking up the phone. I said you're not watching live. I said okay.
You know, interesting conversation. अगर आपके पास कोई भी सवाल है, जतिंदर और शालिनी हमारे साथ इस स्टूडियो में. You can always give us a call 808-1003. This is Talk SME Essentials brought to you by Tally Solutions. MSME Honors में टेक ट्रांसफॉर्मर कैटेगरी में उन्होंने अवार्ड जीता. शालिनी संतोष भी हमारे साथ है फ्रॉम अर्ली फूड्स. उन्होंने भी अवार्ड जीता है इन दी ई-प्रेन्योर कैटेगरी in MSME Honors. So pleasure to speak to you once again. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
आधा घंटा और है, बात करेंगे.
It's our pleasure as well to be here.
So we got a question now, Shalini, that's come in from one of our listeners, and he says, please ask which cooking oil is good.
Sure. So there's no one cooking oil, right? In India, the way Ayurveda speaks about oils that has to be used is according to season. So if it's a summer and the location of the place where you are in.
Right.
So if you're in a cool place, then mustard oil, sesame oil, that actually adds a lot of heat in your body. So it keeps you warm.
Right.
And if you're in a hot place, use coconut oil, groundnut oil. This kind of is neutral or cools your body.
Right.
And ghee is also an oil that you can use for your tadka and stuff like that. And now, so these are the oils depending on the location, the temperature, the weather, climate, whatever, right, that you can choose from. And choose a cold pressed oil. Okay. So, you know how refined oil, so all this research that I've done is only because, I've been in this food industry for 9 years.
Nice.
So now, the way refined oil is made, they add a lot of solvents. They crush the nuts. They put in a lot of solvents so that every little seed gives out the entire oil. Now the solvents will be existing in the oil. Okay. Now again they add bleaching agents, deodorizing agents, so that the odor of the solvents and the color is gone from the refined oil. And they also add some colors to look at that golden yellow and bright and things like that.
Right.
But आपको कोई smell नहीं आएगा in सब processes के. That's the thing. So the real essence of the goodness of oil is not there in refined oils these days. So choose like a cold pressed oil that does not have solvents, that does not have any bleaches. Try to pick such brands and use it in your daily cooking. That's the best.
Yeah, never really thought even for cooking I have to think so much.
But the thing is,
Cold
social
pressed
media
and-
पे इतना
yeah.
कुछ आता है, ये मत खाओ, वो मत खाओ,
I
ये करो, वो
know.
करो. पाजी करे तो क्या करे?
I think we need a list to get what we should eat rather than
What we can't eat.
No, I
shelf you
think-
can see 10 boxes.
I think the
How to
easiest
select.
way is to just go back to, how we were brought up, right? Our grandmothers never used refined oil, right? They used the kachi
Coconut
gani oil,
oil.
coconut oil. We used a lot of nuts. We used ghee. Simple thing. Just go back to tradition and it becomes easier.
Excellent point, यार.
Yeah,
Excellent
absolutely
solution आपने
amazing
दिया.
solution. Now we'll move on to you, Jatinder. Now let's talk to you a little bit about MSME honors in the tech transformer category. Now this has impacted you and your business, and how do you think this has garnered, the positive results for you?
See, first of all, I want to thank Tally and the whole group for this wonderful event and the award ceremony we have. well, every award give a boost and more responsibility to us.
Right.
And whenever we put one more on our shelves, it gives inspiration to the whole team. And I always brief out to my new team members to inspire them more to come up with the more creative ideas, to give more useful solutions to our customers. And as I explained earlier, that we are into also the customizing of the software or the presentations based on the client. So each client we consider as a new client, and whatever they are doing existingly, we want to upgrade their presentation so that if anybody walk into their showroom or to their retail outlet, I mean, if you're landing up at the airport, you see something new.
Right.
So that's what we customized for each individual clients.
You know, कहते हैं ना कि रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, मतलब वो एंगल से नहीं, but you know, when Shalini starts her own store, have you started your own store here?
No. We are
See,
most
this is the reason. This is early
You
we are
have
talking.
him.
Jatinder is here in the
Yes.
studio, है ना? और
Yeah.
अगर आपको उनके लिए बनाना हो, now that you know a little bit about her, तो कैसे डिजाइन होगा, क्या लोकेशन
See,
होगा?
we usually whenever we are coming up with any project, I always says to my design team, don't come up with a one design concept. You know, there are different options we show to the client, and now we have this technology where we can show the different color options as well. You know, some people have a preference to use it dark wood, light wood,
यार
some
पाजी मैं
fluorescent
करामा में
color,
था कल.
some neon light.
You know, वो एक
Different.
कॉर्नर आता है राइट जब आप लेते हो और जाते हो, बहुत ही you know पार्क रिजिस के आगे एक रेस्टोरेंट बना है वहाँ पे, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब मैं कोई ताजमहल होटल की तरफ,
That's what we are.
मतलब look at it.
We designed some work for even Etisalat as well, one of their outlets.
Right.
So
No,
yes.
let's talk about Shalini.
So for
Shalini के लिए क्या
Gulf
करेंगे?
Foods के लिए आने के
So-
लिए आप हमको जतिंदर के पास जाना
Definitely
पड़ेगा.
yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
So that's the first kiosk that you're putting up?
In Gulf Foods.
Yes, we do.
We've done
Otherwise-
exhibitions in India, but not here in
we
UAE. So
we
I
are
think-
doing Gulf Food from the last 10 years. So
Yeah,
we have
he
seen how
was
the
a big
shows
on
got
How will you
expanding.
design her
How
stall?
will you
बताइए.
design?
See now,
client
all my no
Jatinder.
more than my client, my competitor might be listening as well. So I make sure whenever I suggest my team that you are sending an PDF, we give first option and wait for the reaction. If she's okay, it's okay. Otherwise, straight away we put the second option. If not, then the third option is still at
सब
the back of the
draft में
head.
ready है.
It's draft में ready है.
भेजना खाली बाकी
Left,
है.
right, center, any direction will not let you go anywhere.
But
to work
understanding
with
her
us.
brand so far, Jatinder,
Yeah.
क्या लग रहा है? You know, कैसा होगा इनका
See
stand
now
kiosk Gulf
as
Food
what
में?
she's explained in her whole presentation, like the technical part of for a user or a buyer is the most important.
Trying the food.
Trying the food as well as
Yeah.
the technical
Seeing it,
aspect,
yeah.
seeing it like nobody read the spec as we were talking earlier.
Okay.
Correct.
So it's important to highlight that in a bigger size where people comes and they say, okay, this is what we have to read.
मतलब बड़े-बड़े LED screens और वहाँ पे ऐसे
And
खाने का
it'll
cookies ऐसे
keep
उड़
on
रहे हैं.
changing.
ऐसे मतलब एक bowl से ऐसे corns उड़
Not
रहे
only
हैं.
the product, that the spec as well, because nobody is doing the spec.
4K में.
4K.
8K में दिखाएंगे.
Now what people see is only the
You're
product.
doing the selling for them.
So as she said, we want to show both sides, the front and the back, to the spec as well.
No, but you know, I loved your idea and your concept. But you also have to tell me, Jatinder, when you kind of put up, you know, an exhibition, or when you're doing something for a particular client, what is it that you must bear in mind to ensure that you have garnered those kind of an eyeball, so that immediately, मतलब मैं देखूं, so I know that I have to go to this stall, or I have to go to this
It
particular.
pulls you. Yeah.
Yeah, see, I always says that every stand what you design, there has to be a certain eye-catching element.
Correct.
And to make it little more unique, that once you're in the hall, you know, like of course, if they have a corporate color branding logo, and that logo highlight has to be there, that okay, you are there, you just look into the row and you say, okay, this is my brand.
Right.
I reach there.
Right.
And the moment they enter, I always say, I don't want like any box counter
हाँ.
informative.
Correct.
We designed up in the last Gulf Food, or even in the Beauty World show as well, by the way. We do work in Beauty World as well. So I always say the customize the display.
Okay.
Don't make it like a shelving as a product, because exhibition has to be different than your retail store. You don't need to show your full range,
Correct.
but at least the new product or the technical one, which is your best selling,
That has to be.
that has to be in large and display, so that if you select the 4 good products,
Right.
you will buy the 40. Definitely they'll come to you.
And that
Window shopping तो
conversation.
हम करते ही हैं.
Yeah.
So that has to be attractive.
That
That should be more
conversation
attractive.
starter आप शुरू करते हो for a brand, you know,
Yeah.
which is amazing. मतलब खूबसूरत hostesses हो वो काफी नहीं है बाहर.
Sir,
That is what you
वो
want.
आपको तब चाहिए जब आपको Ferrari लेनी है. You want to spend $1 million for a
But no, but you know, you have to agree with him on that. That seeing is believing. Whatever you see is what you believe, right?
See, we have an experience of working for a project for one of the Japanese clients,
Okay.
and the dresses they send from there.
Hmm.
And I can tell you that the height of the skirt and the tightness of the skirt is
Right.
a lot of people. But nowadays, I'll tell you what, the communication is a key to
But it
success.
works, Jatinder.
No,
It
I'll
works.
tell you, it depends on the show. If you are in a motor show, we work for Lexus and other clients as well. So when you see the automobile industry is different, product industry is different, technical industry is different. Each
Right.
exhibition is different.
Yes.
Of
So
course,
the
maybe
look
the
and
beauty
feel-
word you might need those maybe.
So is the customer always right?
We have to say that right to sell our product. You can't say no. They are always right.
All right, interesting. And you know, coming to you, Shalini, now you've become an entrepreneur. It's been over almost 9 years that you're into this field. What were the challenges that you overcame? And I'm assuming you began all of this from your very own kitchen.
Yes. It going back 9 years, it was really started in our own home, in our 2 BHK apartment, and that's how it started. So the challenges were, I was new to the food industry. I had an engineering degree, right? I didn't have a food nutrition degree or anything like that. But it all was driven out from passion to serve and to ensure kids are eating right. I think that was one big driving force to take it all the way here. So I always tell people who ask me about, entrepreneurship or startups, I say, get your intention right.
Correct.
Get your passion right, and it will really fuel you through the entire journey. It's a long, difficult journey. You have to deal with your employees, you have to deal with customers, you have to deal with logistics, you have to deal with the recipe going wrong. So I think that's what I've learned. That since the intention is very good, it really, really keeps you motivated.
डिफिकल्ट पार्ट की बात की तो जंक फूड जो हम बच्चे को देते हैं ना, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अनजंक दैट नाउ व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस दैट प्रॉब्ली वी कुड डू, any solutions that you could come up with, Shalini?
Sure. See, first thing, of course, the healthier alternatives are there with early foods, right? All of them are unjunked.
Right.
But apart from that, coming to the things or some practical things that you can do at your home, some habits that you can really bring in your family to unjunk, to help them eat the good home cooked foods. The first thing is be present in your dining table. आप notice किया होंगे कि the same kids are so excited to eat in a hotel. They will eat the same dal roti or idli or whatever happily in a restaurant.
Correct.
But at home, it's boring.
Correct.
Right? They are more fussier to eat the same
Right.
thing.
Right.
Why? Because at a hotel or a restaurant, we dress up well, we are really enjoying, we are talking, we are really praising the food, we are relishing it. And, those are happy moments for children. Psychologically, the child is really looking forward for happy moments with the parents.
Correct.
But at home, at the dining table, we are on the phone. We make eating a task.
हाँ, हम बोलते हैं कितने मार्क्स आए मैथ में.
हाँ, हम difficult
सब्जी खाओ.
conversation.
Wrong question on the dining table.
सब्जी क्यों नहीं खाते हो, उसको डांटते हैं, होमवर्क क्यों नहीं किया, स्कूल टाइम पे क्यों नहीं गया. So all the task related, tough questions we put at the dining table. We don't make these things enjoyable for kids. So instead, आप खिचड़ी भी खाओगे ना, तो उतना ही अच्छे से खाओ जितना आप बर्गर खा रहे हो या पिज्जा खा रहे हो. मतलब the home cooked foods, whatever you're eating, eat
Correct.
it with the same amount of happiness at the dining table, the same amount of joy that you eat in a restaurant, or eat any other food that you like. And kids really emulate what they see. If you are thinking, I don't want to eat khichdi, they are also not going to eat khichdi, which is very, very nutritious for them.
Correct. Now, one big question. What is junk and what is not junk?
So junk is basically anything that has a lot of refined processed foods or ingredients that's not made in our kitchen. So anything that's available that nature provides is not junk.
Okay.
So your gehu, chawal, millets is not junk,
Okay.
right? And what is junk is all the maltodextrin, the hydrogenated fats, the refined flour. Any food that has gone through a lot of processes is what is junk. हम आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवरिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो लाइक अ बबल गम, ऐसे फ्लेवर हम नेचर में कहीं नहीं मिलता है. Like a mint, it's mint, it's tulsi, it's pepper, but bubblegum ka flavor is not found in nature. These are all artificial,
But
and
all
that
of
is
us
junk.
have had bubblegum in our life at least like once.
I know. We've all eaten chocolates. I've eaten a lot of chocolates myself, but it's only got worse. The food industry has only gotten worse. We've only added more processed ingredients. Going on adding cheaper substitutes today, and that's what is the problem. And I think देखो हमने खाया है, but I remember as a child, I'm sure it's the same for you. When we used to eat chocolates, it used to be once a week,
It's
and today
occasional.
it used to be occasional, and today it's 3 times a day. So it is going to impact our body. There's so many rising allergies. There's so many memory issues these days.
What
coming
about
up in kids.
shelved and canned food?
Sorry?
Anything that is canned, what about that?
See, in our tradition, I think pickles are, long. It has its own protective environment. It's good. It has the good bacteria, but you'll have to check the ingredients on. Does it have a preservative? And if it's canned in what? I think salted one is still okay. So you'll have to check on what are the ingredients that are made from. Does it have preservatives or not?
So when it comes to the costing as well, कि मैं अगर कोई और brand का ले रहा हूँ या early foods का ले रहा हो, what is the difference? बहुत ज़्यादा? Is it expensive, early foods?
Yes, it is on the higher side because obviously we are using a more whole and wholesome natural ingredients. We use a lot of nuts, and nuts are expensive. We use butter. We don't use the cheap vegetable oil. We use A2 ghee. So that's
Margarine?
also... No, we never use. No.
Margarine is not good.
No.
Oh my god.
And what is the shelf life of...
Our shelf life is about 4 months. So generally, if you see anything on the shelf, it is so processed that it will have a shelf life of 1 year. So it's funny, right? We hear that the shelf life is to increase the shelf life of the product,
Right.
whatever is added.
Correct.
But it doesn't increase your own shelf life. So so early foods, because we don't add any preservatives and it's very minimally processed, it doesn't stay good for a year. It just spoils like within 4 months.
The journey that you are on, Shalini, it is not an easy one, क्योंकि food habit change करना लोगों का ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है. And you are on a fantastic journey. The thing is कि awareness और भी बढ़ना चाहिए. So a big thank you to Tally as well for
Yes.
actually honoring you. Was there a lot of competition to win this award? No, no competition.
You just need to
so-
know Priyesh. Hi.
So I think parents are becoming more conscious only these days. The last 3-4 years, because of social media,
Right.
there's more awareness. So I think competition is only coming now. When back 9 years, we were probably one of the first baby food companies or children food companies that was absolutely clean. We didn't have a lot of competition, but now a lot of people are coming in now.
So the concept that if a product is expensive, it's good for you. Is that a right notion to have?
No, no. You should check out the value. You should look at why is it expensive. I'll tell you, okay? So you spoke about competition. So and we also had this millet year last year, right?
Correct.
So a lot of companies came up with millet cookies. Okay? So then I was like, of course it's competition for us. And now I look at all the competitors and I assess what is the difference between them and what is the difference between us. How come they are so cheap?
Right.
Okay.
Or how are they priced? So नाम है फ्रंट पे रागी कुकीज या मिलेट कुकीज,
Okay.
बट उसके पीछे देखा तो there's 5% ragi and the rest is maida. So what is the point of buying such a millet biscuit, right?
मतलब ये तो आप mislead कर रहे हो जनता को.
Yes.
I think it's just the name that people are using because it's this popular and you want to stay in the healthy section.
Space, yeah.
That's how you use it. But also recently, Vivek and Shalini both, I was reading that oats is actually bad for your kids because this leads them to to glucose, a higher glucose index. And I was kind of shocked, thinking all our lives we've had porridge and now you're telling me oats is bad. So
No, I think these trends keep coming on and off, but as long as it's wholesome, it's okay. I mean, I have not come across this research.
Right.
But yeah, whatever your grandparents have eaten, whatever you've eaten as a family tradition,
Go with it.
just go with it.
So, Shalini, are you on social media giving this information to everyone? Do you
Yes,
do that a lot?
yes,
We'll
yes.
talk about that, Jatinder, as well. The power of social media for your industry. अगर आपके पास सवाल है 808-1003. This is Talk SME Essentials brought to you by Tally Solutions. इतना हम वैलिडेट करते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आता है. नाउ जतिंदर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि चलो अपने आप को ब्रांड को आप प्रमोट कर रहे हो, which is great. But then for a few likes and everything आप काफी गुमराह भी करते हो लोगों को. How do you take social media, the power of social media for reaching a lot of wider audience?
See, always says whatever is on social media, you have to see on what platform it is.
Right.
Sometimes we say it's better to check through the authorized website or authorized link, because everybody there is, in their holiday time or any free time, they start uploading, and then they are forwarding.
Correct.
Many times you see a lot of reels people forward to each other.
Correct.
So that's a very wrong way of
Right.
following any information.
Right.
If it's really important, it's better to check the authorized.
So which platform do you use for your industry
we-
expo exhibition के लिए?
See, we have one of our, we use the LinkedIn for our networking globally.
LinkedIn works for you.
And then also the Instagram, we have our page called Expo Official JS, where we upload all the exclusive projects and all.
Okay.
And as we said, we are on the customized way of presenting. So we...
But has social media promotion helped you in any way for your business, or is it just
of
that
course, it's an awareness for each individual.
business आया है वहाँ से?
Percentage wise limited, but still
But
it's,
everybody
it's
wants
good.
to go on social
But
media to
awareness,
research,
awareness has to be there. Something new you are promoting and doing. It's always better let people be aware, because see, many times you send an email, people are like lazy to open up, or you are CC copied many things. But suddenly, if you send a link of a 1 minute video, rather than reading 4 pages, if you have everything done in a one video in 1 minute, people love to view it.
Right, absolutely. And also to check the validation to see
Yeah.
how long you've been in the industry. What are the other things you've worked on? Which other... So, that gives you an insight.
This is
into
our
Authenticity.
14th. This is our 14th year in the industry with the same group.
Wow,
Yeah.
With the same
amazing.
group.
Amazing.
Shalini, social media power, and how have you leveraged it?
For us, social media is huge. So we have like about close to 190,000 followers. It's big for us. So we've, I think almost we can owe 40% of our revenue to social media.
Wow.
Wow. And this
No,
brings
it's not
me...
only
yeah.
revenue, but it's also the awareness.
Yeah,
कि आप
because of which we are spreading all the awareness, and not just about the about the ingredients, but we also share a lot of recipes on our page. So it's called Early Foods. So moms or parents need very quick, simple recipes that they can pack for their school, for their children's school.
Right.
So ऐसे हम लोग बहुत simple recipes share करते हैं, which sometimes we use our own products to showcase and promote it, and sometimes we just do it for the awareness so that it helps.
Amazing.
That's
parents.
amazing. So now I have to ask you this. How important is it for schools and celebrities to be promoting a healthier lifestyle? Because we know that kids look up to them.
Yeah, very, very good question. And I think this is the time when schools need to unjunk, because that is where kids are spending time so early and so much time in school. And our books and teachers are, it's there in the books. Eat healthy food, eat vegetables, eat grains, eat your dal chawal. But the canteens, what are the canteens having? They are having biscuits and ice creams and juice and bread and sandwiches,
Slush, yeah.
right? It's really junk. So, and kids, it's a big gap. You're studying something and you're seeing something, but the visual takes over, right? You're tempted
Right.
because your friends are eating ice cream, they want to eat chocolate, and they're influenced. So you become the single one out, and generally you get influenced. So schools, really, the school management has to take this initiative to clean up the canteens, bring up more cleaner brands, offer more fruits and whatever is healthier to kids. Because देखो अगर a sick child cannot perform, right? If they want top students in their school, if you want schools to really have the bright minds, it is going to come from food and nutrition, and this is what
Clean
they have
eating.
to, and they have to pay attention to this.
Right.
Fantastic. We're running out of time. Lekin quickly, how can people get in touch with you, Shalini? And Early Foods का website क्या है? Instagram handle they can follow?
Sure. So our Instagram handle is just @earlyfoods. You can DM us. Our website is uae.earlyfoods.com. Our products are available on Amazon here in the UAE. You can buy it, or even on our website. And we're also available on Roots Organic. So there's also a platform where you can get a whole lot of organic pantry essentials.
Okay.
And Early Foods is available. They are our official distributors. And yeah, just DM us. We'll be available and help you answering any questions that you have in kids nutrition.
I have one question. Is the nachos are healthy or the popcorn in a cinema?
मतलब
चीज के साथ.
movies में popcorn and nachos.
Popcorn and nachos. Of course, it's not. I mean, you will see that there's so many addictive agents that are added. तो घर का popcorn अच्छा है.
What is घर का popcorn now?
घर पे जो आप बनाते हो
वो
corn आपने लिया and then
Corn, you just put
Fry
it in
pan
the
में.
pressure cooker for about and with some ghee, and within a minute you'll have such delicious popcorns.
really
This is amazing.
नमक
Well,
स्वाद अनुसार आप डाल सकते हो.
Yes.
Jatinder,
So
how can
follow Early Foods if you want all these amazing recipe
Recipes.
tips.
right early foods आप search कीजिए Instagram पे.
Yeah.
Jatinder,
Yes.
how can people get in touch with you?
Oh yes, our official website is www.igexhibits.com. Our Instagram page is expoofficial_js, and we also have a personal which is JAS12003. I promote wherever I go for any exhibition. I'm traveling. I always upload whatever is happening, any part of the world. And we provide global service, as our name says, Invention Global Exhibit. So feel free to contact us for any exhibitions, expo, or displays, or creative and innovative displays.
हमारा
as well.
पता नहीं, Shalini is definitely going to contact you.
Definitely
Gulf
yes.
food.
Definitely yes.
No, but
Gulf
this has
food.
been an amazing discussion with the two of you. Thank you, Shalini. Thank you, Jatinder,
you
for
so
taking
much.
time out, coming to our studios, and opening your heart and having a conversation with us. Really means a lot.
It's our pleasure as well, and thanks a lot. And I always say this. This is the channel I listen more because songs we listen everywhere. We go home, we are outside, we are parties. Everywhere is the songs. So I love listening to the talk every morning. So have a new
So much to learn.
Conversation.
upgrade and conversation are
Thank
amazing.
you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Jatinder.
Yeah.
And हम मिलेंगे कल सुबह.
Absolutely. We'll see you tomorrow on this very show at 7 a.m. on the dot. Coming up next is the Talk Business Hour. We've got to listen to that. At about 10:30, it is Mamma Mia with me, Muriel. At about 11 o'clock, it is Live Talk with Ron. Make sure you listen to the show. At about 3 o'clock, it's #The Boys. Lachlan Kitchen and Neil Oja together bring to you talk, sports and business. We'll see you tomorrow. Until the next time, do take very good care of yourselves. And yes, it is. Ciao for now.